Fantastic, that's right.
Really smart. Oh, so glad to see you. Yeah,
Has he always been here since he was a puppy? Is he always...
No, Zennor has, so she's 4 now, so she's been here ever since she was a puppy. Yeah. I think Archie started coming when he was about 6,
right.
5, no, 6 or 7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our holiday would have been the same without seeing you, boy. You are lovely. Yes, you are. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. Archie.
That was it. Put back there, put them behind it,
Ready.
and then a little gap in between them that was still.
Oh.
Oh dear.
Oh, he's done it again, hasn't he? Tail. Did you just hold it?